In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix FIFA Mobile login failed issue. If you're encountering a login failed issue on FIFA Mobile, then it could be due to a variety of reasons. To resolve the issue, simply follow the steps. The first thing to do in this case is to check your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or a cellular data, since a poor connection might prevent you from logging in. After you have a stable internet connection, try opening up FIFA Mobile app and see if that fixes your login issue. If the problem still persists, then you can try updating FIFA Mobile application. Make sure that you're using the latest version of FIFA Mobile developer release FIFA Mobile. Simply go ahead and open up your App Store or your Play Store and search for FIFA Mobile. If you see an update button right under the app, simply tap on update and get the latest version downloaded on your mobile device. Once you have the latest version of the app, it comes up with updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Another thing to look out for is to check for system updates. Simply go and tap open your settings menu and then from the settings tab, select General. Tap on the software update button from the list and check for available software update for your operating system version. Ensure your device's operating system is up to date. Compatibility issues can arise if app isn't optimized for the current operating system version. So once you update your software, you might be able to fix your issue. Go back to FIFA Mobile app and try logging in. Sometimes it is possible that you are going through network related issue. So in that case, you can try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network or using cellular data. If the problem still persists, delete your FIFA Mobile application from your system. Simply press hold the FIFA Mobile app from the app drawer and tap on remove app. Now in the pop-up, tap on delete app and delete your FIFA Mobile application. Once you delete the app from your system, go back to the App Store or your Play Store and reinstall the app, and that might help you fix your login issue. While logging into your FIFA Mobile application, always make sure that you are typing in the correct credentials. If you are entering the incorrect credentials, then it'll prevent you from logging into your account. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're going through FIFA Mobile login failed issue. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.